In this evening's edition of the Health Report, we look at allergies and how to control them. Shamela Pullen tells us more.
Allergies occur when your immune system reacts to a foreign substance. This can either be from pollen, certain foods, dust mite, or even mold. Persons who experience allergies may have certain symptoms like sneezing, shortness of breath, wheezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and itching.
So we have food triggers. We talk about nuts, dairy, and things that are common like that, gluten and wheat. There are things that we inhale. So we talk about the dust mites, we talk about pollen. So those are some of the things that we might inhale. And then there are also things that we come in contact with. So some chemicals that may be present in cleaning solutions and in lotions and creams that we apply.
Allergies can range from mild to severe. It can also increase your risk of certain medical problems and cause complications.
So with allergic rhinitis, it may be complicated by sinusitis. You may also have with allergic conjunctivitis, you may have corneal damage from excessive rubbing of the eyes, requiring a corneal transplant or at least treatment. And in terms of general allergies, you may have angioedema, where you have airway swelling, and that can result in airway compromise and even death if not addressed properly and quickly.
The treatment for an allergy depends on what you're allergic to. In many cases, a doctor will be able to offer advice and treatment. However, it is advised that persons who are at risk can keep topical steroids like hydrocortisone and antihistamine at home for temporary relief.
So that if you do get a flare up of one of your allergic skin conditions, you have that at home to use as a remedy, because the more you scratch it, the worse you'll make it, and you can even get skin infection from scratching. Having allergic eye drops at home is also useful, but in lieu of that, if you do get allergies in the eyes, then simply trying to wash the eyes out with some water that has been boiled and cooled, and so is more or less sterile, is a good way to get rid of some of the allergies in the eyes.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.